For about 14 years, I ran GSA Focus as more or less a consultancy. So, it was me, maybe one or two others, and not a lot of customers, a lot of, really kind of intense focus on customers and delivery. So that was great, but in about 2 3 years ago, I decided to scale the company, grow it, increase revenue, but it was very important at the time to also not let quality drop. So in doing this, I followed Gino Wickman's book Traction, split my company into departments, put department heads in place, gave them responsibilities, key performance indicators, set up a regular meeting to go over everything, come up with ideas of improvement, run experiments, all that stuff. Split my company basically into 4 departments. Business development, which basically is marketing and sales. The second one is operations, which covers everything from building offers, acquisition, to modifications. And that's a really big one. That's most of what my company is, operations. The other department, the third one is customer success. So this is answering emails, getting out ahead of any ways that we can deliver information to our customers, make sure that people know what's going on, and helping them before they need the help or even before they ask for help. And then the fourth one is really just me, the integrator. I keep the books, keep everybody accountable on the KPIs, the key performance indicators, keep the meetings going, run the meetings, all that kind of stuff. So there's more to come on this. I'm going to go into each of the different departments and talk through that. This is just kind of a little insight into my company, GSA Focus, and what we do, how we operate.